Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name is EA, and you're rocking with me today, right? That's Beam right there. Today, I have a really good one for you. I'm going to prepare a broiled lobster tail. Some broiled lobster tail and colossal shrimp, all right? So come on, rock with me. Let's get started. Okay, this is what we're going to be dancing with this afternoon. We're going to be dancing with some beautiful colossal shrimp. Check out those colossal shrimp, man. Aren't those beautiful capons, right? And last but not least, the lobster tail. When you look at these beauties right here, take a look at those beauties right there. Right? Those are not crawfish tails. Those are grown men lobster tails. Now, you know, if you like lobster like I do, one of these lobster tails in any high-end seafood steak restaurant is going to cost you about $72, right? Man, I purchased 5 of these joints for $72 from Costco. Check it out. I lie to you not. Right, and these are some nice, beautiful lobster tails. So we're gonna go ahead and get these prepared and move on. Okay, let's talk about the preparation. What we're gonna need, right? These are our ingredients right here. We have 4 tablespoons of butter. We have lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We have 2 tablespoons of paprika over here. We have some onion powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Right here, right? Here's your onion powder. You also have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You have half a teaspoon of obey, your obey seasoning, right? Here we go, right? And half a teaspoon of dried oregano. All right? Okay, first thing first, let's go and prep our lobster tail, right? Okay, first thing you're gonna do, there's your lobster tail right there. See all that beautiful meat right there, right? Don't that look nice? Yeah. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna bring it over like so. Gonna get your scissors. Go up underneath the lobster tail like so. Right? And we're gonna just cut it like this. All the way down. Right down the center. These are some large oxtails. Large lobster tails. After we do that, you're gonna turn it over like so. You're going to remove all of this stuff right here. Cut away all that. You're not going to need any of that. If they were smaller, you'll see little legs, right? But this is just an extension of the shell. It's a softer portion of the shell, right? Then from right here, you're going to take your thumb and you're just going to press down and crack that like that. Crack that little bone like that. Right? You hear that? Crack it like that. Boom. Then you're going to turn your lobster tail over like so. And you're just going to open up the shell and expose all that beautiful meat. Just like that. Right? Then what you're going to do, you're just going to reach in and grab that lobster tail like that. Bring it all the way back to the tip of the tail, right here. See that tail right there? Bring it all the way back. And then you're going to close this portion back up. And you're just going to lay that lobster tail right there on the top of that shell. Doesn't that look nice? Look at that. See how simple that was? Just like that. Okay, now, as you can see, our lobster tails are prepared. Our capons, our large colossal shrimp are prepared. Now we're going to go and get started with our spice mixture. All right? We're going to roll over here, get our butter, our lemon juice, paprika. Oops, damn, hold on. Let's get half a teaspoon of oregano. Right? Boom. Half a teaspoon of oregano. We have our obey. Put that in here. Got our garlic powder. Put that in there. Onion powder. Put that in there. And all we're going to do now, right? We're just going to mix it around like this here. we forgot our, okay, boom, okay. And what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. And before I turn this on, we're gonna go ahead and set our oven to broil at 525. We're gonna cook these lobster tails and the shrimp for approximately 10 minutes, right? Let's go ahead and set this before we turn on the microwave. Okay, we're gonna go broil. 5, 5, 2, 5. Start. Okay? Okay, check it out. The oven is set, the broiler is set, 525. Again, we're going to cook this for 10 minutes. Right? Let's go over here. Our spice mixture is ready to go. This is ready to go. Take a look at that. See that? Look at that. Alright? What we're going to do, I'm just going to spoon some of this on top of here like this. On top of that lobster tail, just like so. Like this right here. All the way over that top of the surface of that lobster tail. Get it nice and saturated. Man, this right here is going to be delicious, man. It's going to be delicious. Put some on top of the shrimp. What we're going to do is just turn that shrimp over. Like so. Like that. And what's left over, once the lobster and the shrimp come out of the oven, we're just gonna brush it on top of it. Alright? Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take our brush, and just brush some more of that delicious spice mixture on top of that. See how that, look at that. Damn, that looks good. Don't that look good? Yeah, that look good, Edward. Okay, we're just gonna set this to the side. We're gonna go ahead and put this in our oven. Okay, take a look at that. Look at those beauties. Look at those lobster tails, man. Look at those lobster tails. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. Top here. Set our cook time for 10 minutes. Bam. Stay tuned. Okay, let's go ahead and check them out. Check them out. Oh my goodness. They did, baby. They are dead. Look at that. Will you look at that right there? Look at that right. See, you know the lobster tails are done when the shell turns red, right? We're just gonna sit them right here like that. Put the oven right there. We're gonna take the rest of this spice mixture, put it on top of it like that. We're just gonna paint it. We're gonna paint these joints, man. With that mixture right there. And if you want, you can butter them to taste. If you want more butter, but of course, remember now, this mixture has the butter and all those other special seasonings that's gonna make these lobster tails pop, man. And these shrimp just pop. If you want, man, you can throw your little parsley Over the top of them like that. Beautify them. You understand what I'm saying? You don't want to cook them no longer than 10 minutes because you don't want the meat to be rubbery. All right? Let me clean the sides up, man. Put some stuff away. Clean off the table. My mama always said, make sure your kitchen clean, right? Serving area is clean. Check it out. What do you think? Huh? Hey, look, I hope you like this right here, particular recipe. Try it. You can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong. Simple process, right? If you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. Once you subscribe to my channel, as I upload new content, I will be notifying you, right away. All right. Until that time, look. Again, my name is EA. I appreciate you rocking with me, right? And we done with this one, baby. It's a wrap.